Ooh, girl, you look rough. I've got something that can help. Wow, you've got makeup in there. Here you go, have at it. All right, here I go. Phew, so much better. And now we can play with the puppet. Just a little bit of highlighter. Yep, that's looking really nice. Now to finish it with some lipstick. Where is she? Ah, there you are. I've been looking for you. Come on. Oh, all right. Hold it right there. No makeup allowed. Huh? What? Are you serious? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I didn't even get to finish my look. This headband or the tiara? Tiara it is. Huh. I think I'm getting an idea. Alright, I've got a headband and my lipstick. Time to add some glue. And now to add the lipsticks. I'll add them all around the headband. Next up, rhinestones. Sparkly glittery things always make things better. And there we go! I'm done! Yep, I'm ready for the catwalk. Aren't you done yet? Let me check you out. Alright, you're ready to go. Whoa! I guess I'm doing this. Being a model is so great. I love this. They're loving my headband crown. Oh, I better touch up my makeup. Pink is definitely my color. Fashionable and useful. Oh hey, how's it going? I've got just enough time to reapply. I think I need a little more. Oh no, that's the bell! Shoot, class is about to start. My makeup will have to wait. Hey, wait! I've got a great idea. Stop. Hold it right there. You know the rules. No makeup in class. Come on now, hand it over. You stop too. Do you have any makeup on you? What's that in your hand? Oh, this? It's just a glue stick. Okay, that's fine. Go on in. Desperate times call for desperate measures. Hey, listen. I've got your solution. I took my glue stick and removed the glue. Then I had the empty tube, which means it was ready for the next step. Time for my makeup. I wanted all of it, so I kept twisting. And then I popped it off. Next step, putting the makeup in the glue stick tube. It was a perfect fit. I just gave it a small push. Nothing left to do but put the cap back on. What? Why do I need your glue stick? Ugh, girl, didn't you listen to anything I said? No way! You're a hero! I can finish my makeup! Perfect! Thank you so much! Art class is my favorite class. Just add a bit of contrast over here. Yes! This might be my greatest masterpiece! Whoa! Watch yourself over there. Hey! Now there's paint on my face! Now I have to redo my makeup. Oh my gosh, she looks so different now. Oh no! My lipstick's gone! I'll have to reapply. Excuse me. What do you have there? You know the rules. Hand it over. Oof, well, you're doing well anyway. He's such a teacher's pet. But, good thing I've got a plan. All I need to solve my makeup problem is this marker. Just have to remove the ink from the marker, and it comes out really easily. Then I just put it in a glass of water. I'll stir it around to make the ink come out. There we go, the ink is out. Then I put the ink capsule back in the marker. Now it's time for the makeup. I can just drip the liquid lipstick into the marker and capsule. It just soaks up all the makeup. Then I just need to put the cap back on. Yes, it works! I can finally reapply my lipstick. There we go. Much better. Huh? How did she do that? Maybe I should try it. Gross. This menu looks pretty good. Oh, hi! Glad you could make it. You look really nice. Would you like to look at the menu? Sure thing! That would be great! Whew, wow, it's kind of hot in here. Is it just me or are you hot too? Yeah, I don't really notice anything. Oh my gosh, I'm burning up here! I'm sweating so much! That's better. Gross! I hope he doesn't notice. Ow, what's that? So shiny. Oh, wow, you're so bright. How embarrassing. I wish I had some makeup to help. Hey, wait a second. My watch! That could totally work. Alright, I've got my compact. And now I've got my watch face. I'll just stick it on the cover of the compact and then I need my glue. A little bit of glue here and then here. Next up, a watch band. I'll just glue these onto the compact. Now my hidden compact is ready to go. Alright, compact. Time to cut down on this shine. I still have time to save this date. Just a little bit more. Done. Phew. Oh wow, how did you do that? You look amazing! Just some light touches. Nice, that turned out great! Alright, let's see. What's next? There we go, my lipstick! This color is so bold and amazing! Oh no, it's Dad! I've got to make it look like I'm studying. Huh? That's suspicious. What do you have on that table? Hey, that book is upside down. Oh, I was just looking at a graph from another angle. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Keep up the good work. Wow, that was a close one. There's gotta be a better way to hide my makeup. The bookshelf is the solution! I'll just put my makeup on the shelves. Oof, I've got a lot of makeup. Which means I've got a lot to hide. And now to cover it with my fake books. Perfect, everything is hidden. Oh no, he's coming back! Looks like she's still studying. I see a lot of books. She's such a good student and so smart. Phew, it worked. He didn't suspect anything. And all my makeup is safe and hidden. Now to finish up. Dad was right. I am smart. How would you hide your makeup? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.